Do you need to make a move to supersize and grow your business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And our idiom today is to make a move. It is a relatively new idiom. It's from the 19th century, and it has a couple different meanings. One is to make a move on someone is used in personal relationships, usually in dating, or who makes the first move, who initiates contact, means to touch or to kiss someone. That's, I don't know, that's just one definition of to make a move. It's not the one we're talking about today, although depending on your business, that may or may not help you to supersize and grow your business. But what it really means is to take action, to initiate or to make a decision, or to, I like this description, to take a decisive action intended to achieve a goal or start the process of achieving it. The reason I like this definition is because this year's annual challenge is all about getting our goals. This month we're focusing on contribution goals. We're talking a lot about taking an action, taking initiative, making a move, doing something, taking action. And our coverage of the SOAP framework today, we're actually on the A, which stands for action. We're taking action on the alternatives or the options that we brainstormed yesterday using a fun tool. So what does this mean for us? What does it mean for our business? It means that we ought to be continually keeping our eyes and ears and everything open to pay attention to opportunities and things that come down the road that could help us grow and build and supersize our business. People to join forces with, different products or problems to solve for the people that we serve. There's so many opportunities out there to make the world a better place and contribute and add value to the lives of our folks. I like to call them my people. That it's almost mind-boggling. I always have way more ideas than I could ever possibly implement in my entire lifetime in terms of how to serve the people that I'm here to serve. So curious, have you used this idiom? Have you said, let's make a move? I've used this idiom literally thousands of times in my life. It's time to make a move. What are we going to do now? What's next? What's next is one of my favorite questions, because we don't have to figure out what are all the things we have to do. We just have to figure out what is our next action? What is our next move? So share in the comments below your experience with this particular idiom. I will think about it today as I'm traveling around and do the same. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom, probably tied to this year's annual challenge, Get Your Goals annual challenge, with respect to contribution, because our businesses are here to contribute and make the world a better place. If they're not, what the heck are you in business for? But if I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow. Bye. Have an awesome day.